Oh my gosh, what is going on? Random day, random video. Look how plain the roof looks, bro. But we're gonna change that today. We're finally gonna wrap the roof of my Dodge Charger. Bro, it looks so nice, but the front splitter chipped off, and in the snow it broke off. So now I gotta get that replaced. But look how nice these carbon tips are. But don't mind the sound. We're at Sam's Club waiting for my friend. So yeah, quick update. We lowered the car, we put some carbon tips on it, got a straight pipe, and now it sits like this. There go my boy right there, hold on. It's gonna be like an hour-long drive, so we're gonna go on a quick little road trip. You know what I'm saying, on some cool little shit. Look how beautiful, bro, these cars look next to each other. Woo! But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. All right, boys, we are on the road. And just quickly before I get into the video, I just want to say sorry for delaying the Springs part 2. It's just there aren't everything like recorded. Like I still haven't recorded the outro. I still haven't got my last little lowering spring yet. Hold up. I still need to get my last lowering spring in, and then I'll be able to complete the video. It's just missing parts, you know what I mean? And you know, give y'all a quick little POV drive. Cut the camera back on every now and then to talk to y'all while the road trip. It's an hour away, and let me see. Yeah, the spot is literally an hour away. Oh, what the hell? Look, the spot is literally an hour away, so yeah, let's get straight into the video. All right, boys, so we are on the road and we're about to head there. I just want to let y'all know what I'm doing today. That's the GoPro. So what's really going on today is I'm getting my roof satin black, and I want to keep the antenna orange to see how it looks, and then in the future I might just, you know, get it wrapped for like $100 more. But shout out to the guy that's doing it for me. He really came in clutch and just did it for me today. You know, it was supposed to be like a week-long wait, but you know, he still did it for me. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, to be honest with you. I just got a doctor note today, that's why I got out of school. But let's get straight into it.
Alright. Yeah. Ghetto boy shit, nigga. Money.
Alright, boys, we are almost at the spot. We are about a minute something away. So satin black on the roof, and I'm gonna see if I can get a quote from him for my hood. And I have a hood scoop, so I don't know how that will affect the price, but I mean, shit, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? We enjoy the car, we love it. You guys enjoy it, I love it. But I'm gonna cut the camera back on when we get there. All right, boys, we finally made it. Let's get straight into it and drop the vehicle off for a bit. All right, boys, we're in the Beamer. That thing looks fire. The red goods too. Woo. Bro. Now we at it. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Like that, you can put something out for anything else. But yeah, so.
We just got done with the food. Oh, about to head straight to the wrap. All right, boys, we're almost at the wrap shop. About to pull up right now. Oh shit. God damn. Bro, what the heck? Boys, what the heck? Bro, that looks so good. Bro, imagine the hood and the trunk. Let me get a quote to see how much that will be. Damn. All right, boys, we got the keys by the warm start.
I need insurance on this pint called Allstate, and I don't know how to cut hair, but I get ball phase. Pull up on your bitch and get my balls ate. I'm finna pull up with a brick and give them all shake. The young OG bitch, I talk more shit than dog face.
All right, boys, we're back on the road. We got the car wrapped. I'm letting him have the GoPro to see how he likes it, but I'm about to go back to where I'm from. I'm not gonna say where I'm from, but we're gonna go back home. After that, we're gonna go somewhere and take pics and show y'all the wrap all the way. It's gonna look, this just looks so good. And don't mind the wind, I'm just trying to. I'm about to bend this corner right here, actually. We gotta go.
I'll spread your butt cheeks and put your teeth on the curb.
Boys, I did a burnout right in front of a cop. We gotta go. All right, boys, after an intense moment of doing something, I'm not gonna tell you what I did. Finally made it to the gas station and about to give me some gas. I'm literally on empty. Doesn't even say I have no gas, it just says low. Let's see how much $25 gets me. Putting 89 today because why not? While that goes down, bro, look how beautiful this wrap looks on my car, bro. Holy Jesus, bro, with the fake. It just makes the whole entire front just look way more flesh. And the fact that it's satin black, you know what I mean? Just look at that. Makes you look more sportier. I would say that. It makes all these black components make it look really beautiful. But all right, boys, we ended up putting $29.50 in there because I forgot to add money to my card, my Cash App card, actually. So let's see what it sounds and looks like. Okay. Bro. And also, do y'all like the new taillight thing I did? For me, I love it. It just looks so beautiful. Like, look at that. All right, boys, so done with the gas station. We're gonna head home. Then we're gonna try to install the front lip, all in the same video because I've been installing way too much videos for y'all. Then what I'm gonna do is probably give it a quick little wash and then just end it off with that. So I'm gonna wait for him to come back. But bro, look at his X6M. Like, this shit is so tough. I'll cover his license plate up. Look up. Bro, look how tough that looks, bro. Go follow him on Instagram, bro. Like, show him some love. But bro, look how tough this looks. Damn. Alright. Back to Mango. Alright guys, we made it to the house and look at that. Brand new package. You guys already know what it is. It's my front splitter. It's like my 4th one, I believe. But look how beautiful the black roof looks. First thing I'm probably gonna do is jack up the car because I'm pretty sure now that I lowered my car, I'm not gonna have any clearance with the drill. So yeah, let's do that. Just, bro. Bruh. All right, small jack it is. All right, now that I used the little jack to pick up the big jack because it supports more weight, I'm gonna unpack it in 3, 2, 1. All right. Got unpacked, and this time I didn't go for the carbon fiber style because I wanted to see how it looks with the satin black roof and the satin black everything around. So yeah, also what I like about this one comes with pre-hole, so I don't have to drill this hole and then drill that hole. So yeah, I guess it's better. First 2 holes in, pretty proud. Now we're gonna just put the middle part on. Now that I got the middle part in, I just realized something. This is my first splitter that's actually going to fit around the corner and actually look flush to the vehicle. But let's get that part done. All right, finally put the splitter on. Let me know if you guys like this style or do y'all like this style more. Me personally, I just kind of like the regular splitter. I don't like the beard. So I'm just gonna take it off, but I'm gonna let y'all decide in the comment section, all right? All right, we got the splitter back on and it just looks so good. Holy, especially from this angle right here. Woo. So let's drop the car and give it a quick little wash and be on our way because I am tired. All right, guys, so we have everything that we need to clean the car, pressure washer, everything. So let's get started. Like, look how much dirt is just coming off. Ew. Boys, the car just got done. Let me show y'all how good it looks under this lighting. Ooh. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. We got new splitter and roof satin black. Let me know in the comment section down below what I should get next to my car. The hood is around 300, the trunk is around 250, but I really want to do the trunk next because not a lot of people really do that. I mean, the hood is kind of common, but yeah, I appreciate y'all. Hey, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, bro, because more stuff is coming up. And wait till the next video. Next video, I'm doing like a POV drive, and from there, I'm doing cutting up through Texas, cutting up through here, cutting up through this.
Lock his ass up!
And it's just gonna get better day by day. I want to do the outro during nighttime so you guys can see what the mango looks like during nighttime. I really like the way the roof looks and the antenna is just like have so much personality. But yeah, this is what the orange looks like, because during daytime it looks more red, but nighttime it looks more orange. So that's why I love this color. But yeah, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Leave a like if y'all already haven't, and comment down below what I should get to my car next. Guys, everything is coming for this vehicle. It's being built day by day. It's probably my 4th front splitter. I could probably make like 3 or 5 other videos because it's bound to break. But I mean, this one looks really good quality, so hopefully this one lasts. But yeah, so I really hope y'all enjoyed. I love y'all. See you on the next video. Peace out.